Okay, warm up, find the real solutions of the equation. What is step one, anybody? We're not saying square rooted. We're going to say fourth rooted, whatever that number over here says. If it's 5, you're going to fifth rooted. That cancels out with the 4, x minus 5. Fourth root of 10,000, meaning what number multiplied by itself?
10.
4 times is 10,000. Is it 10? So this is going to be 100. This is 100. 100 times 100 is 10,000. So because it's an even root, 4 is even, it will be either 10 or what? Negative 10. So it will have two solutions there. Solve each separately. Plus 5. So x equals 15. Plus 5. X equals what? Negative 5. So 15 and negative 5. And yeah, those should be good. All right, let's go to a lesson for today. So it's the same worksheet. That's what. 5B solving radical equations. All right, let's get going. So this is gonna be doing the opposite operation. So if you're gonna have a square root of x equal 4, in order to solve these radical equations, we're going to do the opposite operation, which is going to be, the opposite is going to be to do what? All right, I'm going to tell you what to say. You're going to say, we're going to hold it, and the opposite of square root is to square it. So we're going to hold it and square it. Hold it and square it. And then that cancels out with the little 2 here. Cancels. X equals, what is 4 squared? 16. And that's all we're doing with these radical equations. Hold it and square it. Hold it and square it. Cancel. X equals 16. All right, let's go. Keep going. We got to get the x by itself. So how do we get the x by itself? What are we going to do to get the x by itself? We're going to hold it and square it. Hold it and square it. Hold it and square it. X is going to equal to what? X is going to equal to what? 36. All right, next. We're going fast on this. Let's go number 3. Okay, number 3. We're solving for x. What is step 1? We're gonna hold it and square it. Both sides. Hold it and square it. Hold it and square it. On the left side is gonna be 36 equals what? 3x. 36 equals 3x. Then we do what? Divide both sides by 3 and we get x equal to what? 12. Problem number 4. Okay. Problem number 4. What are we gonna do? We're gonna hold it and square it. Hold it and square it. Hold it and square it. What's the answer on the left side? 64 equals what?
Equals
X minus 7. 64 equals x minus 7. And get the x by itself by doing what? Add 7? Add 7 to both sides? So we're going to get x equals what? 71. All right. Continue. Next. Next. Got it? All right, next, number 5. Number 5. Always step number 1 is to get that x by itself. So there's something extra right next to the x. Add 10 to both sides is step number 1. So we're going to add 10 to both sides. And so now we're going to have cube root of x equal 3. Now we're going to do what? Hold it in what? Cube it. Hold it and cube it. Cancel out. X equals what? 27? Problem number 6. So you want to have the x by itself before you do that. Hold it and cube it. So what is step 1? What is it? Add 2 to both sides. So now we're going to have cube root of x equal 3. Same problem again. We're going to do what? Hold it in, cube it. And so the answer is the same. X equals what? 27? Next. All right, problem number 7. What is step 1 here? What is step 1? Anybody, what's step 1? Nope. What is step 1? You want to get the p by itself. What needs to go away first? No, well, no. The 3 needs to go away first. So how do we get rid of that 3? The operation between them right now as it is multiplication, so you need to divide by 3 both sides. So square root of p plus 5 equals 3. Then we do now what we do. We're gonna hold it and square it. Hold it and square it, cancel. P plus 5 equals 9. Minus 5 equals minus 5 both sides, p equals 4. I think this is the last problem, I hope, coming up. I don't know. Alright, let's go number 8. Problem number 8. What is step 1? Step 1 what? Divided by 2. So square root of 5x equals square root of 5x equals 10. Now we do what? Hold it and square it. So 5x equals what? 100. What do you do finally? Divide both sides by 5 and get x equals 20. I think actually we have another one. Let's see. I think we have one more. Yes, we do. Last one. Last problem. Any ideas on how what step 1 is? Any ideas, anybody? Any ideas, anybody? Combine like terms? What?
Hold it.
Hold it and square it?
Yeah.
Maybe, but no. Something else, something else.
Subtract one or add?
Add that thing right there. Yes, add it to the other side. Add it to the other side. So you can have a square root equal a square root. And after you have a square root equal a square root, we can do a hold it and square it now. We're gonna hold it and square it, hold it and square it, hold it and square it. So they cancel out on the left and the right side. Now we have 3x plus 2 equals x plus 6, which is just a 2-step equation. What is step 1 here? I'd rather just subtract x, get it over here. Can we do 2 things at once? Is that okay? Are you mathematically mature to be able to do this? You don't know we can do this? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Cancels. 2x equals what? This cancels equals 4. And divided by 2. X equal to 2. Too many steps. All right, but that's step by step. And we're done for today.